video. Do you want to join? I want to join too. So if you want to join, click the down below button and subscribe for more videos. So you could do whatever you want to make some. Larry, can you come and join with me, please?
Okay. Hi guys! What video are we doing today?
A slime video. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa.
Look at all this slime and the glitter. So we're gonna guide this slime on her, and the bowl is for. We're gonna mix the slime again. So let's get in it.
Okay. So what should we start with first?
Purple one.
You want to start? Okay.
Oh,
Oh, that looks sticky. Okay, put it here.
oh!
It's like Jello.
Look at this, guys. I'm already stretched. And it tastes watery.
Oh, but it looks so pretty.
Yeah, no, it looks like dark blue.
I mean, but let's get later. Okay, what should we add next?
We're doing one by one.
Nope.
Nope. Whoa, it looks like the same.
Down this side.
Oh. Oh. Junk. Guys, it's so clear.
So pretty.
Not clear.
So nice.
You psych. Let's mix it. Remember?
Okay.
Let's do this one thing with this.
Oh, this actually looks really pretty.
Yeah.
Mix up. I don't want to ruin it. Hi guys. I got your hand.
Okay, let's keep. And when we're done, we're gonna stir it, okay? Now this one.
Just use your hand.
Yeah. Whoa!
It all feels the same.
Oh. 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 It's like pink, pink, pink.
Okay.
No, it kind of looks pretty with that too.
It kind of does. It looks like a mermaid tail.
Yeah. A mermaid prettier though. We like those.
Come look at the slime. Hit the like button, guys, if you like the slime. Oh. Oh my goodness.
Okay.
It's beautiful.
We're like the other people.
Alright, now,
Like
if you guys look on this side,
the-
there's a whole bunch of glitter and sequences and beads.
Yeah.
So I think we should add this glitter.
No, we're adding that at the end, okay? How do we open this? Guys, we just opened this one. Let's see what's inside. Oh!
Oh, wow. That looks perfect.
Perfect one. Oh my god.
Kind of looks like a little spicy.
Yeah, a sticky one. Yeah. Oops.
That looks tough. Is it hard to pull?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. It feels bubbly. Feel it.
Oh, it does feel bubble. And it's really sticky.
Let's put it in.
Wow, that's my beautiful slime. It just printed on the slime. It didn't even go in it. I Alright, now we're gonna do this one, putty.
Putty. So
This is a green one, so I don't know how the slime's
Oh!
Oh wow, it literally came. Oh, it's in plastic, that's why.
Guys, I'm not going to put this. It's in here. Swim. Oh. Guys, look at this. Look at this. It kind of feels hard.
Guys, look at this slime. This slime is actually glow in the dark, so I'm kind of nervous to see how it looks in slime.
I see it. Oh, and sticky.
Yeah.
That's why
I
you.
think it ruined the slime though.
It's like.
No! Why are you doing this to the slime?
Oh, that sounds like weird.
It's not even like combining with the slime. It just went in it and it comes out in the same piece.
Wow, it's so cool. Like, I can't even describe. Like, when it's going dark, so it's time to turn off the lights.
Alright.
Maybe the whole slime will turn into just glow in the dark slime. The whole slime will turn into glow in the dark.
Ready?
Yep. It's not glowing. It's not glowing, guys.
It's not glowing.
Turn on the lights. Oh, it turns out like a sticky bottom. It's like a sticky bottom.
Okay, now the best part.
Yeah. The ingredients.
Let's do it over the bowl so we don't mess it up.
Woo!
Looks so pretty.
Let's put it in.
I'm doing this. Never everywhere.
It's sticking.
This
Now
looks like a very catastrophe slime.
oh, it feels kind of weird. Dad, this is so much fun. Did you have fun? Lily, did you have fun? Did I have fun? Yes. And everybody had fun. So let's end the video. In 3, 2, 1. Slide ended.
Bye. Oh.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like, share, subscribe, comment down for more. And if you want to make fun, let's watch our videos. Bye!